Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making General Tso's chicken. You will need 2 chicken thighs, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of cooking sherry. For the sauce you'll need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking sherry, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of water, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of honey, and 4 dried chilies. You'll also need sesame seeds and scallions to garnish and canola oil for frying. Cut your chicken into bite-sized pieces, then set them aside until later. In a bowl, combine your egg, 2 tablespoons of cooking sherry, cornstarch, flour, and salt, and whisk together until well combined. Now coat your chicken with the batter, then set it aside until later. Using medium-high heat, bring your oil to 350 degrees. In small batches, fry your chicken for 1 minute, then remove it from the oil. Now return all the pieces to the oil and allow it to cook for 4 minutes or until it is crispy and golden brown. Remove the chicken from the oil, then set it aside until later. In a frying pan, combine the water, honey, sugar, oyster sauce, soy sauce, vinegar, the remaining cooking sherry, garlic, and white pepper. Then mix until well combined. Now add the dried chili and continue mixing and allow the sauce to reduce. After your sauce has thickened, add the chicken to the pan and coat it with the sauce. Now garnish with your sesame seeds, and now it is ready to serve. If you're looking for a restaurant quality meal at home, then you must give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to